Another early start. It was optimistic to think you'd get him out the door in under 20 minutes. But any moment now you can duck into the closet and see off this entire 200-gram bar of chocolate. So here's a song for you from CBeebies. 'Cause when you need some time to locate your shoes, go there. Or you've got the big online shop to do, go there. When you need a bit of quiet time after last night, when you put on a bedtime story and you're out like a light.
Nighty-night.
So you managed a 6 AM lie-in, 10 hours later and there's no sign of them tiring. At least you can enjoy your coffee while it's still hot, 'cause they reel off all the things they've learned that you'd forgot. So here's a song for you. Now you can finally go to the loo. A world created with your kids at heart. It's called CBeebies, here to help from the start. So it's the third night this week, you're making beans on toast. Now you think, wait, hang on a minute, I'ma push the boat out. For the first time in ages, you've got the time, so go crazy. Tonight's the night you get spaghetti bolognese. There's mud on the ceiling, there's cake on the floor. There's something weird and sticky on the handle of the door. CBeebies teach them something while you clean up the mess. And it's fine that you sometimes watch Hey Dougie on your own after you've put them to bed.
What are you doing?
So here's a song for you. Now you can finally get that off your suit. It's a world made just for kids and that's a guarantee. CBeebies, here when you need it to be. Bees.